In our last lecture, we were discussing about different types of PCRs. We have completed some different types of PCR, but some more types are left. Today, we will be discussing about quantitative real-time PCR, that is QRT PCR. Okay. Now, QRT PCR, from the name itself, we can understand quantitative real-time PCR. Quantitative means quantity, কতটা হবে সেটাই শুধু, হ্যাঁ। So quantitative real-time PCR, QRT PCR, it is used to amplify and also for quantification and detection of DNA sample. That means in this type of PCR, what is happening, how much amount of DNA you are producing, that you can know. Still now, all the PCR were amplifying DNA, but you cannot measure how much amount of DNA is formed. Now, in quantitative real-time PCR, QRT PCR, in this type of PCR, you can understand how much amount of DNA is being amplified. Now, to measure this thing, we have used different type of dyes such as cyber green dye, EVA green dye, then fluorescent reporter probe such as TACMAN. Okay, real-time PCR using DNA dyes such as actually this QRT PCR works under two mode, real-time PCR or fluorescent reporter probe method. এই দুটো মেথডে হয়। So real-time PCR is using cyber green and EVA green dyes, and in fluorescent reporter what they are using TACMAN. Now, detection and quantification of fluorescent reporter, the signal of which increases in direct proportion to the amount of PCR product in a reaction. That means fluorescent reporter measures how much amount of DNA is produced. Does not measure the amount of end product, but its production in real time. Okay. So in real time, what happens? You get the idea of how much amount of DNA is produced in each step. But in TACMAN polymerase, that means fluorescent method, at the end of the experiment, you come to know how much amount of DNA is produced. Okay. মেন ব্যাপারটা যেটা আছে, QRT PCR মেইনলি ইউজই হচ্ছে তোমার কতটা অ্যামাউন্ট অফ ডিএনএ প্রডিউস হচ্ছে সেটা জানার জন্য। ওকে, নাও কামিং টু দ্য quantitative real-time PCR, what is happening? See, this is a DNA strand and this is the primer. This is the primer. Then this is the primer. Then these are all cyber green dye. Okay. At the beginning of amplification, the reaction mixture contains DNA, denatured DNA, primer, or dye. So when the experiment is starting, ওটার মধ্যে কি থাকছে? Template DNA, primer, আর dye-টা. The unbound dye molecules weakly fluorescence, producing a minimal background and fluorescent signal which is subtracted during computer analysis. What happens? See, in the next step, when these dyes bind with the DNA, when see, primer is sitting on one strand and it is synthesizing like all other PCR. But what is happening here? This cyber green dye is a white যে ডাম্বেলের মতো দেখতে, এগুলো হচ্ছে green dye. This green dye is sitting on the synthesizing parts. So this synthesizing part is getting amplified. Okay, so when they are binding with the DNA, they are fluorescing. This fluorescing is producing some light, see, emitted light, and when you measure the light, you can understand how much amount of DNA is being produced. See, after annealing of the primer, a few dye molecule can bind to the double-stranded DNA, resulting in dramatic increase of the green molecule to emit light upon excitation. What is happening here? Suppose primer ta diye DNA synthesis hocche, finally an annealing step elo. We all know that in PCR there are 3 steps: denaturation, annealing, then elongation. Then annealing step এ গিয়ে দেখো একটা একটার সাথে DNA জোড়া বেঁধে রয়েছে. In that, when cyber green is adding, it is producing tremendous amount of light. তো এই লাইটটা মাপলে পরে আমরা জানতে পারবো how much amount of quantitative how much amount of DNA is produced. Okay, now the next slide, what is the TACMAN probe? TACMAN means this fluorescent reporter probe. ঠিক আছে, TACMAN probe দিয়ে কি করে করব? Tachman probes are designed such that they anneal within a DNA region amplified by a set of primers. That means, see, this is the pictorial depiction of Tachman probe. Tachman probe ki hocche? See, these are single-stranded DNA, unbound dye, minimal fluorescence. What is happening? This is single-stranded DNA. এগুলো কিন্তু এখনো DNA গুলো synthesis start হয়নি. This is the template DNA. In this template DNA, all the these are the blue end one is the Tachman probes. As the Tachman probes are not bounded to the DNA, so minimal fluorescence, খুব কম amount light হচ্ছে. Then double-stranded DNA are synthesized. When this double-stranded DNA are synthesized, your dyes are binding to it, bounded dye, 100-fold increase in fluorescence. Now from this portion to this portion, there is an increase in fluorescence in huge amount. Okay. Now what is happening? See, this is nothing but the same thing. This is the your quencher or fluor means fluor মানে হচ্ছে যেটা থেকে লাইটটা প্রডিউস হচ্ছে. So when the Tachman probe is binding to the double stranded DNA, লাইট দিচ্ছে আর সেই লাইটটাই তোমার যখন আমরা মেজার করছি, we will get an idea how much amount is produced. See, this is donor acceptor. That means nothing but your when they are binding together, they are producing fret. That means fluorescence effective energy. Okay, this is the amount of your fret is produced in this portion. What is happening? The donor and the acceptor, or the sorry, these two are binding, and this binding is leading to the fluorescence. And when the light is produced, which is seen in the another instrument to understand how much amount of DNA is produced. Okay, this is all about your QRT PCR. Now let us read the other points. As the Taq polymerase extends the primer, the nascent strand, the F5'3' nucleus activity of the polymer degrades the probe, and that has annealed to the template. That means when the double-stranded DNA is synthesized, more and more Tachman probes are binding to it, and this degradation of the probe releases the fluorophore from it and breaks the close proximity of the quencher, thus relieving the quenching. That means এটাতে কি বলতে চাইছে, this what is happening in this one, when the fluor and the quencher are together. See, sorry, in this one, when these two are together, then only light is produced, and when they are separated, light is not produced. So to increase the amount of DNA, that means how much amount is totally produced, that to regulate that, we have to go for the Tachman polymerase. Okay, so how this fluorescence detected in the real-time PCR thermal is directly proportional to the fluorophore released and the amount of DNA template. Okay, that means what is happening, total যতটা তৈরি হচ্ছে সেটাই হচ্ছে amount of light produced when you are going for the real time PCR. Okay, আচ্ছা, এই ছবিটাতে যেটা বলছে কিভাবে হচ্ছে, ধরো প্রথমে ডিনেচার করা হলো, এটা প্রাইমারটা রয়েছে, and this is the strand. Now the fluorescent Tachman polymerase is sitting on it. এটার একটা fluorescent থাকে, একটা quencher থাকে, একটা দুটো মাথায় দুটো থাকে, এটা প্রোবটা. Now primer annealing probe hybridization, what is happening in this primer, the hybridization probe is sitting and is getting hybridized, then extension is occurring. What is happening, when they are joined together, they will produce light, and when in further steps it is increasing in length and they are getting departed, মানে এই যে fluorescence আর quencherটা আছে এরা আলাদা হয়ে গেলে আর কোনো লাইট প্রডিউস হয় না। তো এইভাবে রিঅ্যাকশনটা এন্ড হয়ে গেলে the light stops producing, and in this way the whole thing is being synthesized. Okay, now this is all about your quantitative or real time PCR or QRT PCR. Okay,